7 pieces that I have for years and that I love. Hi everyone, I hope you're all well. In today's video, I'm going to talk about what sustainability really means to me. Sustainability to me is buying less and smarter. But don't get me wrong, we really need to know the origin of what we buy. But the fashion industry is way more complicated than buying eggs at a free-range farm. We cannot control the origin of what we buy. There's less regulations. Of course, you can say that, okay, I bought from a brand that says they don't kill animal babies and so on and so forth. But you cannot know for sure. There are big brands that have been promoting sustainability, but at the end of the day, that's not the case. Unless we jump on a plane and visit the country, the remote country the garment was made. So what I think it's best for us is buy less. That's the bit we can control. So I decided to do this video because I think that we have to treasure what we already have. And chances are we have gems in our closet that perhaps need more attention. What I'm saying here is not just a matter of having old pieces in your closet, but wearing them. That's the key. So I have old pieces in my closet. I'm going to show you some of my favorites. I wear them all the time. I think one of the biggest reasons that I love these pieces so much is the cumulative, beautiful memories that they brought me throughout the years. People assume that because I'm a stylist, I buy all the time. I am constantly in stores, I am online shopping all the time, I am bombarded by all notifications. I'm not free of mistakes, I've been there. So I think that we're not here to judge anybody. I think my role is to really guide you through the process because I learned from my mistakes. You don't need to learn from your mistakes, you can learn from my mistakes. I learned to reframe myself, to make the right questions before I buy, and this is a huge part of sustainability. If you have old things in your closet but you're not wearing them, ask yourself why. Perhaps you bought something impulsively, perhaps somebody gave it to you, perhaps you want to, go back to fitting in them again. Whatever the reason is, ask yourself, are you gonna ever wear that piece again? And then you decide what you're going to do with the piece. For me, the reasons to having something for a long time in my closet is because they work for me, is because I absolutely love them, they make me feel special, they really fit me, and they are easy to maintain. These are my reasons. You have to find yours. And every time you buy a new piece, ask yourself these questions. Think about your wardrobe as your mind, right? If it's cluttered, so is your mind. So don't put anything that will clutter your mind in your closet. What makes you reach out to an outfit or to an item all the time? You have to take these things into consideration when you're building a sustainable, everlasting wardrobe. Let's jump into the actual pieces. So I'd like to start with my pinstripe blazer. I was looking for a blazer that was not navy or black or beige. I wanted something in between a fitted and an oversized blazer, and I found that this one is a great compromise. I actually love the fit. It's perfectly made, and I like the masculine cut to it. A work uniform for me is this blazer with a white t-shirt, my favorite pair of jeans, and ankle boots. It's by Kenzo, and I actually bought that on sale 7 years ago, and it was totally the most expensive piece I had in my closet then. But I don't regret, because I've worn it so much and I'll continue to wear it, so the price per wear became zero. The next piece I want to talk about is this beautiful LBD. When I was younger, I wasn't so much into black, and I didn't have many black pieces. I think I didn't have any black piece in my wardrobe at all. It's quite funny because that's normally the opposite. I was against everybody else. I wanted to be different. And so I avoided black. That was one of the first black dresses that I ever had. And I've had this for over 20 years. But the thing that I love the most about it is its simplicity. Yet it looks super flattering. It's unbelievable how you don't give it anything when you see it in a hanger, but on your body It looks really flattering on me. It accentuates my waist. It's got a beautiful cutout on the side, which is kind of sexy, and I like the back detail. I love to wear it with boots, and it is so easy to layer. It looks great under any coat, and I can lighten up and wear with sandals. Endless way to style it. And it's so easy to maintain. I can hand wash, I can machine wash. I was just gonna wear it forever. The next piece I want to talk about is this beautiful knit. I love the color. It's not a classic color. It's a bold color, but it's a primary color, which is something interesting to have here and there. And I love yellow particularly, with brown tones, even gray. We've seen last year that was one of the colors of the Phantom ear, gray and yellow. So I love these two colors particularly together. I like yellow and white too. This sweater has acrylic to it, which is cooler than 100% wool. So I can wear it in summer, no problem. I reach out to this top every time that I wanna enliven my outfit, and it's so intrinsically beautiful. The next thing I wanna talk about is this beautiful dress from one of my favorite brands. Isn't it amazing that you find something that you love from a brand that you love and that you can afford? Again, I bought this on sale. Like I said, all these pieces that I got here, I got from outlets or they were on clearance. This dress in particular is a beauty. I think the reason why I love it so much is because it's one of the most slimming dresses I ever had, and who wouldn't like that? And highlights all my assets and camouflage my little flaws. I know that I'll be wearing it for a long time. It's not a dressy dress. It's a very casual, like a utilitarian dress, very weekend dress, but I need a dress like that. We all need a dress like that you can wear with a simple sandal or sneakers. You are free to go for a casual look that you feel amazing and you feel comfortable. The next thing I want to talk about is this necklace, and I am so in love with this necklace. The moment I laid my eyes on it, it's a crystal necklace. It's not fine jewelry. I don't have many fine jewelry items in my jewelry box. I don't have costume jewelry, but I like something that it's in between, something that I don't consider myself so delicate, although I'm changing that as I get older, but I still like something that it's a bit bold, that's got some personality. And this necklace is all of that in one. I think that I'll cry if I ever lose this necklace, and it's been following me for 3 continents. I love to wear it, especially when I'm wearing something simple that I can't be bothered, like a simple t-shirt and denim, and I just put it on and it takes the outfit to another level. Or when I want to go out for a nice dinner and I just want to embellish a simple dress. It makes me smile every time I see it in my jewelry box or when I wear it. It's just something that brings joy, because it's something that it's a piece of your life that you've been carrying, and you remember the stories where you wore it and you were happy and all these things. It just brings back all of those good feelings. Because these pieces are way too old, I won't be sharing any link, and I want to do that on purpose, because that's not the point of this video. This video is to show you that you can find these gems yourself, and I want you to try and look for them high and low and pay attention to your instincts, to your own judgment, to things. Okay, this is not trendy, this is not something that I see people wearing, but that's exactly why I want it, because I want to be me. So I hope you find these pieces that you treasure in your wardrobe for many years, and you still love them and you feel proud to wear them. You walk tall when you are in them. So that's the goal for this video. The next piece I want to talk about is my all-time favorite wide leg jeans. You know my love for wide leg jeans. It's no secret here. And this is my very first one. And I bought this probably 6 years ago. When I tried them on, I have to admit that I found them way too wide. all we could see was skinny jeans everywhere, you know, and the rare straight leg pants. But these ones are way too wide, were way too wide for me. But in saying that, they were the perfect fit because they fall just from my waist, which is really rare. They don't have any pockets. They have the zipper is at the back, and they have the greatest fit. It's 100% cotton. The wash is phenomenal. It's dark and slimming. But for me, I think when you find something that you absolutely love like that, it's really rewarding. I never wore skinny jeans. They look awful on me. So I've always wanted wide leg pants. They are my favorite kind of jeans. The next thing I want to talk about are my ankle boots. Year after year, we see boots coming in fall, winter, but I'll always have this in my closet. I'll never get rid of them. They are just the perfect for me. I know the brand for a long time. It's a Swedish brand. It's a Danish brand. And they're known for their sweaters and beautiful cashmere and stuff. But in general, they're a very nice brand, and they make very sartorial pieces. But I wasn't so into their shoes until I saw these boots, and they are so well made, so well constructed, very comfortable, and they don't lose their shape, they don't crease. I wear them all the time. They are not chunky. I don't like chunky boots. I think they are the best way to finish any look. Any fall look. They look beautiful with dresses, full length pants, they double as a pair of shoes. I think the greatest lesson that I learned from the pieces that I have in my wardrobe for years is that I understand way better what quality means, because something that ages well can only have quality. Things that are made with an extreme care, they only age better. It's like wine, and the real attention that's been put into them really stands the test of time. So there you go, everyone. These are some of the many pieces that I absolutely love in my wardrobe. I've been loving them for many years, and I really hope you enjoyed it and found it useful and somehow got inspired to really find these pieces if you haven't them already. If you have these gems, wear them in different ways and don't let them be dusting in your wardrobe. Thanks so much for watching as well. I hope you have a great day, a great week, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye everyone.